Hey there, if we haven't met yet, my name's Sarah and I'm the mom next door. Today I invite you to join me on a 5-minute closet cleanup. Let's get our closets just a little bit more organized together. I love the phrase and the concept of progress over perfection. So while I don't have a couple hours to do a full KonMari method of cleaning out my closet today, I do have 5 minutes, and in 5 minutes you can make some progress. I started by doing a quick scan of the clothes in my closet and grabbing anything that I noticed I hadn't worn in quite some time. If I hadn't worn it in a while, I tried it on and made a quick decision about whether I loved it or whether I didn't. As I came across clothes that didn't fit right, that didn't feel right, that were uncomfortable, or that were damaged in any way, I put them aside to give away. You deserve to have clothes that aren't damaged, that don't have stains and holes in them. Again, if there's anything that doesn't fit right, I encourage you to let that go as well. If you come across clothes that are too big or too small, but you hope to fit back into them someday so you don't want to let it go, that's okay. Fold it up and put it in a drawer or a storage tote somewhere out of sight so that it's not in the mix of the clothes that you're looking at each day to pick out your outfits, but it's somewhere that you can store until you fit those clothes again. Next, do a quick scan for any clothes that are out of season. It's a couple weeks into fall for me right now, so I went through and quickly grabbed sundresses and shorts and rompers and anything that I only wear in the summer. I folded it up and I'm going to set it aside in a storage bin until the weather gets nice again. Now that we've spent a couple minutes simplifying our wardrobe by removing items that don't fit, that aren't in season, or that are damaged in some way, let's tidy up what's left. I like to organize my closet from short sleeve to long sleeve, so I just quickly put everything in order. So I put tank tops, then t-shirts, long sleeves, sweaters, and then coats. Then I went through and just did a quick tidy up, making sure that all of my folded items and shoes were in the place where they belong. I do love to do a good deep clean of my closet where I just take everything out and try it on and totally rethink my wardrobe. But I don't always have time to do that, and I found that just taking 5 minutes here and there to tidy up can make a big difference. So here's the before and after of my 5-minute closet cleanup. While it's not perfection, I did make some progress, and progress feels good. It's motivating and encourages more progress. Thanks for watching. For more videos and inspiration on how to live life better and create a life you love, I invite you to subscribe.